So we've been looking at these linear functions. We've practiced calculating the slope. We have, plugged in for both the independent and dependent variable for both x and y. We've talked about the slope and the y-intercept. And now we're going to practice writing the equation from scratch all the way, given some points. So just to remind everybody, we are going to be writing in this y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. We've practiced this number 1 here. I will tell you what gets people. It is step 2. People kind of get stuck. So you're going to have to kind of force yourself when you're like, I don't know what to do. Where am I? What's the next step? The next step is this part 2 here. So you've got to learn to push through where you get kind of like a mental roadblock and know, oh, I've got to solve for b. I'm going to draw the equation too. I'm just going to write it out first. So I'm going to kind of go out of order. I'm going to jump to this writing the equation. So the first step said that we were going to find the slope. So that is what we're going to do. Using our slope formula, plug those in. So I'm going to get 3, be careful of the negative, minus -1 all over 2 minus 3. So that's going to give me 3 plus 1 over -1, 4 over -1, which is -4. Most people feel pretty good about this. Step 2, solve for b. This is the step that gets people. We know m, and we know an x and a y. I'm going to plug those in to get my answer. You can actually plug in either one. It doesn't really matter. So into y equals mx plus b. Let's see, y is -1, m is -4, x is 3, and I'm looking for b. -1 is equal to -12 plus b. I'm going to add 12 to both sides. I'm going to get b is equal to 11. So now I know m, I know b. My answer is y equals -4x plus 11. Make sure that step 2, solving for the y-intercept, finding b, the y-intercept, is the step that gets people. All right, now that we've got the hard part out of the way, let's go back and graph our equation up here. So we're going to graph the point over 3 down 1. That's my first point. And then over 2 up 3. And then draw a line connecting those. This line does have a negative slope. It's going down. We read graphs from left to right. So from left to right, I'm going down, so I should have a negative slope, and I do have a negative slope there.